In this video, let us learn delete HTTP method. So again, go to IntelliJ, stop the server, go to department service. We need to write an abstract method. So since it is deleting the resource from the server, we can make it as a void delete department. So it will accepting the ID as a parameter. So based on the ID department ID, it will delete the record. So now we can go to once after writing the method in the interface, department service interface, we should go to department service IMPL. Here we should implement this particular method. And again here we need to get the same object. We need to write it in this way. If the department object is already available, it has to be written. If it's not available, it has to provide the exception. So if the object is available, it has to be written the object, otherwise it has to throw the exception. Once after, we need to department repo dot delete by id or delete by entity, delete by department entity. Because of this reason only we are capturing the entity, the object, department object. The same department object we should pass as a parameter. Save this particular changes. So now we should execute this method in a controller layer. So go to controller layer, write a method at the rate delete mapping. So this is nothing but departments. Based on the given ID, it has to be deleted. Public response entity, I would like to provide a string delete department by ID. So at the rate path variable, we should provide integer ID we need to provide. So first we need to delete this particular record now. dept service dot delete department, the corresponding ID we need to provide. So it will delete the record permanently from the database. Now we need to return the response entity. For that purpose, return new response entity. We should provide the message the department with ID has deleted from database. So now we need to provide the status code http status dot ok we should provide. So it's telling the department with ID 2 has deleted from database successfully. Okay, save this particular one. So now we have to test this particular. Before testing, we need to find the URL now. What is the URL means? HTTP localhost colon 9090 and this is API slash v1 slash departments and slash 3 or 4, anything you can provide the corresponding department, it will be deleted permanently from the database. So once after save the changes, again restart our Spring Boot project. Yes, it's up and running now. Go to Postman, create a request. What is the request we need to create? Add request. The request name is in this way: delete department by id test. So what is the HTTP method? Yes, the HTTP method is delete. Now we need to capture the URL now. So this is the URL we need to bring, and we can able to paste it here. Instead of 3, 4 also you can able to delete. Now, so currently before deleting we can cross check our database. In database there are 4 records are available. So we are trying to delete third one, sales, California. We'll try to delete, instead of 4 we can try to delete 3. So now we can execute. The department with ID 3 has deleted from database successfully. Again go to database. Again if we can execute, the department 3 should be deleted permanently from the database. Okay. Thank you. In this video, in this complete video list, so we have created, we have learned how to build a RESTful API for department, and we have created post, get, put, delete, HTTP request, and we have tested those requests in a Postman tool. Thank you.